I got these gorgeous beads from Temu, and I have to say I was really impressed with their consistency of size and quality. They are glass beads, they shine beautifully, and I decided to turn them into this simple yet elegant bracelet. So let me show you how to make it. I finally got myself this gorgeous bamboo beading board, and honestly, I love it. You will find all the links in the video description, and if you use my code, you will get an awesome discount too. I want the bracelet to be around 16.5 centimeters long, so I will measure and set it up right here. What's really cool is that the measurements are already marked, which makes it super easy to work with. Now I take my tiger tail. I really love this material for making bracelets. I put on a clamshell bead. I put on a cream bead. Then I bend the wire like this and thread it back through cream bead and a clamshell. I take a small piece of tiger tail wire and insert it inside. It helps keep the main wire from slipping all the way through. And then I tighten it just enough so the wire ends right at the edge of the cream bead. Then I take pliers and squeeze the cream bead. And close the clamshell. Now I measure about 25 centimeters and cut the tiger tail. Put on all the beads. And be careful at the end. Go through all the two wires. Like this. And then cut off the excess tail. Now I put on another clamshell and cream bead and do exactly the same. So I bend the wire and go through the cream bead, the clamshell and the beads. I put a piece of another tiger tail inside to help me out and pull tight. Remove it. Squeeze the cream bead and close the clamshell and cut the tail. Okay, it's super cute, and now it's time to add a clasp. I picked this adorable clasp with this little cute heart. Of course, I will leave the link for it in the video description. By the way, I see this type of clasp with this little heart really often on bracelets on Etsy. So I just remove the clasp and I put it on one end of the bracelet and I close it with my round nose pliers. And I do exactly the same on the other side. And the bracelet is finished. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What I personally love about it is how beautifully the beads sparkle. They catch the light in the most stunning way.